black, the ground was stained in red. Left for the crows, hanging by a silver thread. My axe felt like lead in the snow, wounds opening wide, while the cold breath of death whispered soft by my side. I heard the low growls, the pack was closing in. Hungry eyes watching, waiting for the feast to begin. Teeth bared for the kill, they wanted the flesh and the bone. A Viking about to die in the freezing dark, all alone. But
Then came the shadow, tall as a mountain crest. A single wolf stepped forward, putting the chaos to rest.
yeah, he didn't bite, he stood guard, a sentinel in the light. Drove back his brothers and stayed through the longest night.
Since that day we've walked hand in paw through the night,
A pact forged in blood,
out of